I'm Lyric, and today on Lighthouse Live at Home Edition, I have a very famous frog on my show today. Let me introduce him to you. Hey Kermit, could you come here? Hi ho, Kermit the Frog here. Lyric, why'd you want me on the show today? Well, over spring break, I watched a very interesting motion picture called The Muppets, and I decided to watch the rest of the series. And I found that you were a very funny and peculiar frog. Well, gee, thanks. Kermit. Yes? Could you help us with the Pledge of Allegiance? No. Sure. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So Kermit, yes? Would you like to introduce two very special people? Oh, sure. Who? Dr. Fradley and Miss Choate. Oh, yes, please, yes, oh, thank you. Now to you, Dr. Fradley and Miss Choate.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday, too. Hope you're doing well.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Choate. Good to see you.
You too.
So today, look, is a really kind of a fun day. It's Read to Your Favorite Stuffed Animal Day.
Yeah, and we've got a bunch of friends here.
We have some of our friends, Curious George. We even got Paddington up there as well.
Yeah.
And you know, the book I selected that I'm going to read to my friends is called The Day You Begin. And boys and girls, you're actually going to see this book pretty soon because I'm going to record it and read it to you as well, because this is our new book of the month.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, and so since you won't be able to have it in your classroom like you have up until this point, we're going to read it and we'll send it out to you guys. So that will be coming soon.
Oh, I'm sure I'm looking forward to that.
Yes, it's a
sure.
really good book. Really good book.
So you're making a video and you're going to send it out.
They're going to see me read.
That's awesome.
I know.
I can't wait.
So what's tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow is cooking day.
I love to eat too.
Me too. And so I am really looking forward to maybe learning some new recipes.
All right, and boys and
See
girls,
what
if you
I can
do
do.
cook something, or if you take a picture of yourself reading with one of your stuffed animals, make sure you upload it to the Facebook site because it is so fun to see what everybody's doing out there.
Yeah, it's been really fun. I'm really enjoying seeing everything on Facebook.
Yeah, it is
fun.
good.
Yeah.
And we have a joke today, and it was sent in by my goodness, it was another member of the Donna family.
Liam.
So Liam sent this in. All right. So guys, send your jokes, and this is Liam and Dr. Guruswami's class. And so here's the joke. Are you ready?
Yep.
Why can't a nose be 12 inches long?
I don't know.
Because then it would be a foot.
Oh,
Good joke, Liam. Loved it. That was a great joke. All right, and actually we have something else on the news today, right?
We do. We have, so today at 9, be sure to tune in, 9 o'clock, Mrs. Colby's story time on our YouTube channel. And Mrs. Mayfield makes a surprise visit.
We've missed Mrs. Mayfield,
I wonder
haven't
how
we?
she's been doing.
Awesome.
Oh, she says that she misses Mrs. Choate.
There you go. All right.
And wants the students to still be practicing good manners at home. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Very important, because I'm sure your moms and dads really love you practicing those good manners at home. And the other thing, remember all those wigs that you guys are working on here at school, those wildly important goals? Just because you're not at school doesn't mean you can't practice those same things at home.
Absolutely.
That's right. Your etiquette and your self-management goals, those are really good, important things to work on. So, guys, have a wonderful Thursday, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Now for segment 2, welcome to the Kermit and Card Show. Today for segment 2, I'll be showing you how to make a Kermit the Frog head out of a playing card or anything similar that you can find from basically scratch. Okay, so you need a playing card or anything similar and 2 colored markers, green and purple. So first you're going to make 2 diagonal folds. So now it should look like this. Then you're going to do the same on the other side. Except on this side, you're going to lift it back with just enough space for the eyes. Then you're going to take this bottom part and fold it up. Then take the top point and fold it back. So now that we have the head, also need to make those 2 folds. That's very important. So now this is what it should look like. Let me get that closer. So you're going to take your green marker and color in this part. Okay, cut. So when you're done with that, let it dry for a moment. Then you take your purple marker, make a circle on the eye, then make a straight line through that circle. Then take this, make 2 triangles, and then a very strange looking smile. And there's your Kermit the Frog card. Kermit, look what the kids can make. Oh, cool. It looks exactly like me. Hey Kermit, do you know what day it is? Thursday? No. It's Get a Stuffed Animal and Read Day. Oh. Well, I'm afraid it's time to end this segment. Wait, I have an idea. What is it? That's a good idea. Kermit thinks that we should play a song on the banjo. Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions, and rainbows have nothing to hide. I've heard too many times to believe it. I know the wrong. Wait and see. Someday we'll find it. The rainbow connection. The lovers, the dreamers, and me. Thank you, Kermit. Stay safe, Rowlett families. Remember, we're in this together. I'm a power Rowlett, on uniform I'm dressed. I pledge to follow Rowlett rules and always do my best. I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibility I'll show respect to others and their property. I'll set goals, put first things first, and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork I will soar with more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my prize. All right!